What is up, everyone? Good morning and welcome back to the channel. And judging by the sound, how quiet it is, we are not in the 6.0. No whistle, no nothing. Very quiet. We have stolen, I'll use the term appropriated, my buddy's brand new Duramax again. Taking it up to a shop that I deal with up in Bradenton, getting some new shoes put on it. My buddy's trying to keep this pretty clean, pretty factory looking-ish. So what we're doing is, my buddy has a set of brand new AT4 wheels that he's taken off his truck. He's putting a 7-inch lift on his on 2614s, and now those wheels are now available. So we're going to be taking those and trying to fit them on some 37's on a leveling kit on this brand new Duramax. We'll see if they fit or not. I think my buddy's starting to get upset that I'm taking his brand new truck more than he is. But, you know, it's just the way it works. So let's head on down to the shop and check out what we got to put on here this morning. All right, guys, we just pulled into my buddy's shop. Little quick comparison for you. Got the base model, the 1SA package, compared to my buddy's Denali. Again, same color, same everything on this truck, but a lot more features on this one. And again, guys, this is personal preference, what you guys want. Bought a brand new Denali and we've already switched out to 24s on this one. Looks very good and clean. But again, guys, if you're looking for a base truck that you're gonna end up doing the wheels and tires to, like we already talked about, no reason to get the Denali if you don't need to. But a good comparison, guys, like I said, both good looking trucks. So let's get this one rolled in and start seeing what we're doing. Getting a couple quick shots over by the pond. These Steelies are a thing of the past, guys. Getting ready to get out of here and get those AT4 wheels. It's gonna be a huge difference. So factory tires on this thing are about a 34.5 is kind of where they sit. And we're bumping up to a 37. We may do a little bit of rubbing, but rubbing's racing, guys, where I come from, so it'll be good looking. Let's get her in and check it out. Pulling it in, getting it set up on the lift. Walk you around my buddy's shop, show you a little bit. This is a quick glimpse, a sneak peek, if you will, of my buddy's brand new AT4. This is the one, guys, getting that 7-inch on 2614. It's gonna be a monster when it gets done. Just a cool truck. Brand new, by the way, a couple weeks old. Already brought it in and we're hacking it up. Show you some of the, and I'll put his link in the below, guys, but ton of wheels and tires. Deals with stuff all the way up to 28s, I believe 30s at this point, but got a whole inventory, guys, up top. Showcase the wheel and tire room for you. Lights turn on. Some neat wheels in here. Stacks on stacks, guys. And again, not only does he do wheels and tires, he also does power sports as well. So he's got four-wheelers, dirt bikes, scooters. We'll walk you back and show you all of that. But guys, if you're in the Bradenton area, like I said, I'll put his link in the description down below. Make sure that you check him out. Give him a call. Tires, he's got a hell of a price on some of that big stuff. Rims as well. He does a lot of wholesale. So guys, you can get in and find what you need. But here's some of the sport bikes, power sports, if you will, the stuff that he does. So four-wheelers stacked, ready to roll, getting ready for the holidays. Got mini dirt bikes for the kids, all the way up to the big stuff. So just racks and racks, guys, all the way set up in the back. And then, of course, tires. Ton of cool stuff. Always a good time here. Again, another wall of rims. These are the tires that we're putting on. Amp 37 1250 20s. Just a monster compared to those 34.5 stocks on the Steelies. We'll be changing out. Even the AT4s on the factory tires, guys, are just going to be a world of difference, but these wheels are going to look really good on that base model truck. All right, guys, let's get started. All right, guys, just a quick comparison to show these AT4 wheels on a factory tire versus these 37's that they're going on. Definitely a good looking tire. Gonna be a monster on this truck. Can't wait to see it.
Sure did. I was so surprised that it was probably low. Yep.
All right, guys, got all the tires mounted on these. Looking good, looking pretty. Now it's lift kit time, which is really just a set of new torsion keys that we'll be slapping on here, lifting up the front end to be able to hold these big, nasty tires. Let's get it going, see where we stand at the end. All right, guys, they are officially on the truck, and we will see if we have some rubbing issues, but I have a feeling we are going to. But they definitely are an upgrade from those Steelies. Time to sit her down, see how she looks on the ground, guys. All right, guys, it is done. Wheels are on. Time for the alignment. Let's back this thing up and see how it really looks. It's definitely bulldogging a little bit. We'll probably have to do a 1-inch block in the rear, but we had to get those torsion keys as high as we could to be able to clear those monsters. Definitely changed the look of this truck. All right, guys, alignment is done. The toe was out just a little bit, but we were able to get it corrected. Should ride awesome now. Gonna back it up, check the tire pressure in the rear, and then get it outside and get some photos of it. Again, this truly just made the truck, changed everything on it from the Steelies going to the AT4s. Not a bad option for this base if you want to keep it simple but make it stand out. This is the way to do it, guys. All the way out, guys. So far, no rubbing at all. Getting close, no rubbing. All right, guys, so here it sits after backing it out, getting situated on it. I don't even know if he'll want to lift this thing any higher than this, guys. It cleaned it up, just looks good. Those 37's really made a huge difference. I love it. All right, guys, it's time for me to drive it down the road and hopefully return it back. We'll see if I want to or not. Other than that, guys, I'll put the link to the shop in the below, so make sure you check that out. Give my boys over here a shout. Like I said, wheels and tires, ATVs, dirt bikes, they got it all. So give them a call. All right, guys, just doing an update on this. This is obviously the 2-inch level on 37's, and then a 2-inch puck on the rear. Just a huge difference that it made on this truck. Alright, guys, there it is as she sits. It's going to sum up this video. And again, guys, make sure you give us a like and subscribe. And obviously we'll be posting more content. Thanks and enjoy.